Guys, within the last 24 hours, we saw a breakout out of our downward sloping channel to the upside actually, but now Bitcoin is facing the most crucial, the most immense resistance that there has been in a very long time, and I will show you exactly what price level, and it's one exact price level actually, because all resistances come in at the exact same price. It's absolutely insane. If we break this price level, I'm actually expecting a massive volatile move to the upside, and this is why, for example guys, you remember I opened a new long trade in my last video. I told you guys that I am expecting actually to break this downward sloping resistance of our downwards trading channel within the 1 or 2 next retests. I also was prepared for sure. I said it's no guarantee. We have to expect maybe a dump down to $40,000 to $38,000. That's why I only choose a 3x leverage for this trade. But still, I opened a position, I was prepared for the worst case, and now that we are breaking out to the upside, what I actually expected or I gave a higher likelihood to, I'm already in a $7,000 profit, and I will tell you exactly at what time I will scale up this trade. So guys, if you want now, or if you don't, whatever, make sure to subscribe to this channel, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and smash up a like guys on every single video of mine. We usually reach 2,000 likes, so let's achieve this below today's video again, because like I said, this price level will blow your mind that I'm going to show you today, and you will see the confluence of resistance coming in at that price level. Other than that, one quick massive news. One of the things you cannot miss today, guys. VLaunch is getting listed on exchanges, guys. Not only on Femex, not only on Uniswap, also on Bitmart. More exchanges are to follow even within this year. So guys, make sure you are ready, because at 2 p.m. UTC time, trading for VLaunch will go live, or VPET, the token ticker symbol VPET, will go live at 2 p.m. UTC on Femex, Bitmart, and also on Uniswap. So don't miss out on that, because the next huge project is already lined up to launch on VLaunch. It's actually CoinWeb. Take a look at the website. You will be blown away. It's in development since 2018, a highly technical project, and I can already tell you, if you missed stuff like Solana, if you missed stuff like Luna, guys, CoinWeb, I can already promise you don't want to miss that, and the only way to get access to it is through VLaunch actually, guys. And I want to tell you also something. We are listing the token later at 2 p.m. UTC at the exact same price as the private sale has happened. Yes, guys, Chris and I, we always said this project is for the community. This project is something that is giving you access in the future to more and more projects before they even list on exchanges, to make it possible that everyone, no matter if you have a lot of money or only a little money, if you have good connections or no good connections in the crypto space, that everyone has a fair chance in participating in private sales and getting access to these high access before these projects list on exchanges. And because we want to make it fair, we are actually listing the token from VLaunch, VPET, at the exact same price as the private sale happened. And this is at 3 cents, guys. This is at an extremely low project valuation. It's the same valuation where everyone in the private sale invested. So if you're fast enough, $3 but I mean, let's be honest here, I'm not sure how many people are going to rush to buy the token. I mean, the project hype was insane, over 200,000 followers, so I don't think that the price will remain at 3 cents for a very long time, maybe even only for a couple of seconds before we then see what the market does with the token price, right? This is pretty much out of Chris's and my hand, but it will be very interesting, and we will make sure that we have a very great market maker, actually market making several top 100 coins, so we will make sure that we don't have any immense, huge blow of wicks or anything like that on the first day where everybody is rushing to buy it. So guys, be prepared. It will be insane for sure. You shouldn't miss it, 2 p.m. UTC. But now enough from that, guys. I just wanted to make sure that nobody misses it. Let me now show you this extremely important resistance level that I am actually talking about. And for this, we have to leave the 4-hourly chart behind us. One quick thing, because of this resistance level, I'm actually expecting or I see a very high likelihood of a retest here actually of this breakout. I think it's very, very possible that Bitcoin goes down to the $47,500 level once again to retest the past downward sloping resistance that now should have turned into support, to see if the bulls are really now in market control. But we only know that actually till we break above here pretty much the $49,300 level again, because on a retest you have to break the old high to know that the retest is confirmed, and you are not seeing something, for example, like this, right, where it's just a fake out and the bulls try their best to bounce, but they're just not able to it. So if we want to then know that it's a confirmed breakout, we would need to pump back above this price level before we can be sure. But this is not what I wanted to talk about. Actually, I want to talk about this insane resistance that is right above us. And it's on the daily time frame, and you can already see what it's consisting of. And this is not all. I will show you some more in a second. First of all, we have our downward sloping resistance and our downward sloping support of our past falling wedge exactly at the $50,000 level. This resistance is coming in. Then on our VPVR, we have, guys, we have our very, very, very important volume profile here, and we can already see that exactly at the same price level at 50,000 or at 49,500 to $50,000, we would actually leave this very important horizontal VPVR resistance, horizontal VPVR support and resistance behind us. So the next very important bigger resistance areas then come in at like $55,000. So if we break the $50,000 level to the upside, a pump to $55,000 is expected. And this is not all. No, guys, on top of that, we have our daily EMA ribbons acting as massive resistance here as well. So to even expect now that the bull run can continue, that we see a new all-time high, maybe in January, early next January, and if it's like super crazy, we could maybe, yeah, it's pretty much impossible to see it this year, but still, a new all-time high in January, we need to break the $50,000 level to the upside. This is the only important price level we need to break. This is where the most resistance that is above us lays, the $50,000 level. Everything after that is not so insane resistance as we are seeing here. So be prepared, guys. Keep an eye on the Bitcoin price. Make sure that you are ready. If you opened a long position as I did in my last video, be ready to potentially scale this long position up. No financial advice if we should break the $50,000 to the upside. But now, guys, be prepared. 2 p.m. UTC time. Listing of VLaunch, Femex, Bitmart, and Uniswap. We will make a tweet. We will link the stuff in the groups. So be prepared, guys, and don't miss it.